Welcome back, dear students. Today I am going to focus at the remaining portions, the remaining part of the lessons, that is Born Again Arunima Sinha. Here students, in the previous video we had seen about Arunima Sinha, how Arunima Sinha climbed the highest Mount Everest. And here students, after climbing the highest Mount Everest, she became the second woman in the world who climbed the Mount Everest. Students, you know the situations about Arunima Sinha. In one accident, she became handicapped, but students, she did not lose her determinations. She did not lose her courage to climb the Mount Everest. And the day came for her that she climbed the Mount Everest. Students, this was the very courageous thing of Arunima Sinha, that we should take some lesson from this lesson very well. Now students, move to the next part of this lesson. Arunima proudly planted the Indian tricolor on top of the summit. Students, the meaning of summit means what? The highest mountain, the top of the highest mountain that we can see here. And here students, Arunima Sinha proudly she planted our Tiranga on the Mount Everest. Students, it is very proudable thing for us as a Indian citizen. She also pushed a note wrapped in cloth into the snow. And students, I told you that students, she was very courageous. She did not afraid of anything, even though she was handicapped. And here students, she also pushed a note wrapped. Students, wrap means what here? A cover. A note wrapped in cloth into a snow, thanking the Almighty for helping her achieve her dream. And here students, she was thankful. She was thankful for Almighty. She was thankful for God, that God, I am very thankful for you. Okay, that you gave me that power. You gave me that we can say here Almighty in order to climb the Mount Everest. In December 2014, in a grand ceremony, the Prime Minister of India released the book Born Again on the Mountain, written by Arunima on her experience of scaling Mount Everest. Here students, first of all, try to understand the word meaning here, that is scaling. Students, scaling means what here? Reach the highest point. And you know very well about that. Arunima Sinha, she reached the highest point of the Mount Everest in the world. And here students, in December 2014, there was a grand ceremony, and in that the Prime Minister of India who released the book Born Again on the Mountain, which was written by Arunima Sinha. Actually, this book, which was based on the experiences of Arunima Sinha while climbing the Mount Everest. In 2015, she was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian honor in India. And here students, Arunima Sinha in 2015, she was awarded by the Padma Shri, and which was the fourth highest civilian honor in India. Here students, we should know about that, the honor, the awards in India. Students, the Padma Shri award, which was given to the Arunima Sinha, which was the fourth highest civilian honor in India. Here students, the first award, that is civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna. In the second position, the second award, that is Padma Vibhushan, the third civilian award, that is Padma Bhushan, and the last award which was given to the Arunima Sinha, that is Padma Shri award. Here students, there are four civilian awards in India. She was also honored with the Tenzing Norgay Award in 2016 and the First Lady Award in 2018. Here students, by this award, she was also honored. Arunima runs a non-profit school for the underprivileged and specially abled children. Here students, Arunima Sinha, she was running a school which was non-profit school. It means students, there was no any individual benefit of Arunima Sinha. And students, this school was running for the sake of underprivileged. Students, underprivileged means what? Those people, those children are backward. They didn't have money to take educations. As well students, special able children means what? Those who are handicapped. And here students, for those students, Arunima Sinha was running a non-profit school for the sake of service, for the sake of society. The school Shahid Chandra Shekhar Azad Viklang Khel Academy is Arunima's life. Yes students, a school, it is Shahid Chandra Shekhar Azad Viklang Khel Academy, where those who are handicapped, those children, those people can take the admission in the school and they can, we can say, develop themselves. They can focus before the society. Students, this was a very good medium by Arunima Sinha, by this Viklang Khel Academy. And students, actually it was Arunima's life. It was a dream of Arunima Sinha. Though the school does not yet have many facilities, Arunima is determined to take it to a great height someday. Students, you can see here, unless until that you have facility, that you have equipment, you have infrastructure, you have money, that you cannot develop this thing. And the same thing students which happened with Arunima Sinha. Here the school actually doesn't have many kinds of facility, but still students, Arunima, she determined herself that one day it will be the highest position. My academy which will be developed later someday. So here students, it was the determinations of Arunima Sinha. Here students, we should have also this kind of determinations to do something. In her words, failure is not when we fall short of achieving our goals. It is when we don't have goals worthy enough. Here students, Arunima Sinha explains about failure. Here students, what does mean failure? Failure does not mean that if you are trying to do something, it means what? You are giving your best efforts in order to achieve. Okay, and unfortunately students, you did not get that success. You became failure. You failed in that in order to get it. Students, it does not mean failure, because you are trying. You are trying. Your efforts are towards in order to get it. But unfortunately, we can say it's your bad luck. It did not get. But students, it is not failure. Failure means that if you do not have any kind of worthy we can say worthy goal. If you don't have any goal, if you don't have any aim, so students, it is your failure. So that is why students, Arunima gives a message through her lesson, through her experiences, that everyone should have aim, everyone should have goal in order to achieve something. So this will not be your failure. Okay, so in this way students, we have completed this lesson today. I hope that you have understood it very well. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.